चैनल। सो आज के वीडियो में आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ कलेक्टिव हॉल। मैंने ओवर द पास्ट 2 मंथ्स काफ़ी सारी शॉपिंग की है एंड मैंने सोचा कि मैं एक हॉल में आपको सब कुछ दिखा दूँ। सो या आई होप दैट यू गाइस एंजॉय वाचिंग दिस वीडियो। इफ यू आर न्यू हियर, मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब, click on the bell icon, and yeah, you can follow me on Instagram for more updates, and we'll just get started. So I have jewelry, makeup, clothes, and then some hair stuff, but I'm just gonna start with makeup because of course we love makeup over here. So I got 2 things from Nykaa. Actually I got more things, but वो मैं एक separate haul में दिखाऊंगी, but ये 2 चीज़ें मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती थी because I am obsessed with these and they are both by Pack Cosmetics. And ये है एक brush. Now this is a flat top angle brush and ये actually उनके contour brush के अंदर आता है. This is called the Pack 247, but this is the perfect, absolutely perfect face brush. मैं आजकल सिर्फ यही यूज करती हूँ to blend in my foundation and my concealer. मैं इसे tapping motions भी करती हूँ and buffing motions भी करती हूँ, and you know I just use all kinds of different techniques and every time my base looks so pretty, so flawless. This retails for I think 545 rupees and I think this is definitely worth the money. बहुत ही एक amazing brush है and the shape is so good कि ये ना बिल्कुल कोने कोने में चला जाता है, so I don't have to use anything else to blend in my concealer. I have been really liking this and I use this more than I use a beauty blender these days, so that is saying something. The next thing that I got is the Pack liquid lipstick. It's actually called a matte gloss, and matte gloss क्या होता है यार, I have no idea, but yeah, this is the Pack retro matte gloss and it's in the shade 40 Adore. Now अगर आपने मेरा बेस्ट मेकअप आर्टिस्ट वाला वीडियो देखा है, सो उसमें जो मैं पार्लर में गई थी, द मेकअप आर्टिस्ट शी यूज दिस पर्टिकुलर शेड एंड ऑल्दो द मेकअप वाज समथिंग, बट द शेड वाज रियली ब्यूटीफुल एंड आप लोगों को भी ये शेड बहुत पसंद आया था. उसके बाद ये अदिति ने खरीदा एंड देन आई थॉट यू नो it is a perfect nude color, तो मैं भी I should purchase this. That is why I got this. It's a very nice matte formula. I have never tried Pack के liquid lipsticks before. This is a very nice light brown nude shade and you guys know मुझे ऐसे shades बहुत पसंद है and it looks really pretty. मैंने आज इसको mix किया है NYX के exotic liquid lipstick के साथ. Also ये थोड़ा drying है, but again all liquid lipsticks are drying in my opinion, so I just use a little bit of lip balm. उसके ऊपर I apply it and yeah, it works fine. Moving on, and Instagram sent me some glitter eyeshadows and the Instagram store is called Glittery World. So these are 2 liquid eyeshadows and ये glitter है. So these are basically liquid glitters, जैसे liquid eyeshadows होती है, but हाँ ये full on glitter eyeshadows है. Okay, so I have 2 glitter shadows यहाँ पे and इनके names यहाँ पे नहीं है. मैं description box में नाम डाल दूंगी, but I'm just gonna call them 1 and 2. But you guys can see like it's very glittery. So yeah, the packaging is a little bit messy, but I get it क्योंकि you know these are pressed, I mean liquid glitters. The first glitter shadow looks something like this and this is really pretty. Can you guys see? ये थोड़ा orange and yellowish tinge में है and I really like it. The next one is this green shade and I'm really intrigued क्योंकि मैंने इससे पहले ऐसा green shade कभी नहीं लगाया. The applicator is a doe foot applicator, I think that is it. Oh, so this green shade is really popping, you guys. Like I'll show you guys. I have to use it in a tutorial. Oh my god, this is really pretty. Now second, she sent me some pressed glitters and I really like this cute packaging. She sent me 3 shades. Okay, so first is this blue shade, very nice packaging. This is called Dewdrop. So these have names in it and ये अच्छा packaging में आता है. Can you guys see that blue? Oh my god, I really like this aqua blue. Mama की बोले aqua blue. I really like this aqua blue color. Look at that, it looks so pretty. I feel like ये भी lid पे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. I feel like all of these shades will look very nice on the lid. And the next one is this purple shade and it's called number 98. Here you go. So this is also very pretty and very nice, bright purple actually. I have never used ऐसे purple eyeshadows, so I'm really interested to see कि मेरे lid पे कैसा लगेगा. Last but not the least, I have the shade Caramel and this is what it looks like. It's a very beautiful gold. Like can you guys see इसके pan में बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्राइट गोल्ड कलर है. वाओ, दिस इज सो प्रिटी. आई कैन नॉट वेट टू ट्राई दिस आउट एंड आई विल प्रोवाइड अ लिंक जहाँ पे आप ये सब खरीद सकते हो. Moving on to hair care, I got the entire onion range from Mamaearth. आप लोगों ने मुझे बहुत रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि मैं इसको रिव्यू करूँ, so I got the onion hair mask, the hair oil, the shampoo and conditioner. But इस वीडियो में I'm just going to talk about the hair mask and I also use the conditioner a lot. मैंने अपने smoothing वीडियो में ये mention किया था कि this is my go-to conditioner these days. So this is the Mamaearth Onion hair mask and you guys know I have been loving the argan hair mask by Mamaearth. उसका मैंने already एक review कर रखा है in case you want to check it out. So this has onion oil, organic bamboo and vinegar and this is for hair fall control basically. मैंने ये smoothing के पहले use करना start किया था but a good thing is that I can still use it. All Mamaearth products are chemical free and natural and this is also suitable for colored and treated hair. तो मेरा hair अभी treated है so I can still use it and I have used it अभी recently भी. Now monsoon season में सबको बहुत ज़्यादा hair fall होता है but onion is a very known ingredient जो hair fall को रोकता है and आपका hair growth को promote करता है. and मैंने जब से इसको use करना शुरू किया तो मैंने भी notice किया कि मेरा जो hair fall है especially जब मैं hair wash करती हूँ तो वो थोड़ा कम हो गया है which is a good sign. Now how I like to use it कि मैं थोड़ा damp hair में अपने बालों को partition करती हूँ अपने side से ही and then I just take a good amount in my palms and I apply अच्छे से ends में and then I also focus it on my scalp and give my scalp a good massage. When you apply this on your scalp make sure you take your time and अच्छे से आप इसको massage करो. जब आप इसको massage करोगे तो वो अच्छे से आपके scalp में penetrate होगा. इससे blood flow भी increase होगा आपके scalp में जिससे ये product और अच्छा work करेगा. So I leave it about 15 to 20 minutes and then I wash my hair. Now पहले तो I was using my normal shampoo but now I changed it but I sometimes use conditioner, sometimes I skip it. इस बार मैंने conditioner भी लगाया and use this onion conditioner. I really like this and this is also very good for treated and colored hair. So yeah, this is also sulfate free so it's perfect for my hair right now. Now you can use this about 2 to 3 times a week and this will genuinely give you results. And like I mentioned, ये chemical free है and इसमें natural ingredients है so this will not harm your hair. Also Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand so they recycle more plastic than they produce. If you want to buy this you can go check it out on Nykaa, Amazon and Mamaearth. और आप मेरा code use कर सकते हो aninditachh20 on the Mamaearth website so you will get 20% off and who doesn't like to save money, so go use my code. I don't get a commission out of it, it's just for you guys so just wanted to clear that up. Moving on, now I'm going to show you guys some jewelry and मुझे एक और Instagram store ने jewelry भेजा था and the Instagram store is called Oshri Accessories. This is the cute card that they sent me. I really like this card, like you know the yellow is popping. I've been in touch with her for 2 weeks now and she's so sweet and the jewelry is stunning. I got mainly ये सब दुर्गा पूजा के लिए. So the first pair of earrings look something like this. मैं close up भी डाल दूंगी because इसमें इतने अच्छे से नहीं दिख रहा. But these are genuinely the most beautiful pair of earrings that I've ever seen. Like these are for you to make a statement, like look at that and the quality is so good and these are pretty reasonable also. They are only for 450 rupees and trust me you guys इनका quality इतना अच्छा है that when I saw this I was really surprised, like you know I was not expecting such good quality. So this is the first pair that I got. Second she sent me a pair of these peach earrings and ये बिल्कुल circle में है. Can you guys see? Again मैं close ups डाल दूंगी but yeah these are also so pretty and ये भी मैंने अपने एक outfit के साथ मंगवाया है. आई हैव अ सूट तो उसके साथ ही बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. आई फील लाइक इवन इसके साथ यू नो बहुत ही एक अच्छा इंडो वेस्टर्न लुक आएगा. एंड दीज रिटेल फॉर ओनली 430 रुपीज एंड अगेन वेरी गुड क्वालिटी यार. लाइक आई एम सो इम्प्रेस्ड एंड दीज जस्ट लुक सो नाइस. लाइक I'm totally surprised. Next she sent me a pair of silver jhumkas. This is what they look like. They're so cute and I really like इसमें जो वो white detailing है. I think it looks very pretty and ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा light weight है but again quality is really good. इसके पीछे जो stopper है वो भी ना silver का ही है so that is something that I really appreciate वरना ये बहुत easily गिर जाते हैं. And this retails for only 320 rupees so that is nice. and इसके इधर इतना सुंदर एक detailing है. I hope that you guys can see. मैं close up ज़रूर डाल दूँगी. Like I'm saying this to myself because I almost always forget. I saved my favorite pair for last and this is the last pair. Oh my god, you guys, I am obsessed with these jhumkas. Can you just look at this? I don't even have words. मैंने जब ये उनके पेज में देखा था, I was like, I need this in my life. These are literally the most beautiful jhumkas that I've ever seen in my life. मैंने इतने सुंदर earrings नहीं देखे कभी, and इसका क्वालिटी मैं बता नहीं सकती कितना हाई क्वालिटी है ये. These retail for I think 690 rupees, but let me tell you, ये अगर आप मार्केट में लेने जाओगे, these you will get for 1500 rupees आराम से. इनका क्वालिटी बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है, and these are such statement earring. You should definitely get these अगर आप एक bride हो या फिर wedding guest हो, because ये आपके हर एक outfit को complement करेगा. I cannot wait to wear this. I am just so excited. You guys can just sense my excitement. These are so pretty, and yeah, I would highly recommend you guys to go check out Oshi accessories. Their stuff is incredible, and I would highly recommend you guys to check out their page and see other designs that they have. Next, I got this t-shirt from Shein that I wanted to show you guys. मैं यहाँ पे एक picture डाल दूँगी. This is a very cute pink cherry वाला top, and when I saw this, I did not think this will look good because I was very wary about this material, but it's a very nice satin material जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहा है. And yeah, I really like the price. I think इसका around 300 था. मैं link अगर मुझे मिला तो मैं ज़रूर description box में डाल दूँगी. The next thing that I got from Shein is this neon pink phone cover. So I have the iPhone 6s. बहुत लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं. So this is the 6s, and yeah, like I got this only for 150 rupees. I really like this neon case, and इसका quality actually काफ़ी decent है. I've been using it for straight up a month, and this looks really cute and matches my outfit actually. So okay, moving on to some random thing that I got from Amazon. So I got this Nova का curler and straightener, and ये 2-in-1 hair product है. मुझे एक्चुअली ये ऐसे रैंडम नहीं दिखा था अमेजोन पे, एंड दिस रिटेल फॉर ओनली 200 रुपीज़ या 250 रुपीज़. सो दिस इज बेसिकली व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. इट इज़ सो स्मॉल. मैंने इसको एक बार यूज़ किया है, बट या मैंने इसको ढंग से एक्चुअली यूज़ नहीं किया. एवरीथिंग इज पिंक टुडे. एनीवे, सो बेसिकली दिस इज द कर्लर, एंड देन इसका स्ट्रेटनर कैसे खुलता है. Oh yeah, so basically यहाँ पे एक लॉक है. So you open this and this is a straightener, and then आप इसको लॉक कर दोगे. So this is the curler. But let me know if you guys want me to do a demo on this. I would happily do it. मेरे बाल अब straight है, but I can still test it out. And मैं curler actually इसका देखना चाहती हूँ. This legit is for only 250 rupees, and I don't have any expectations from it. I don't even think कि ये ढंग से काम करेगा, but I am intrigued. So this is the next thing that I got. I got a suit from Amazon, and ये same company से है, जानस्य, जिससे मैंने पहले भी एक सूट खरीदा है. So this is a very bright yellow with golden print सलवार नहीं सूट. इसके जो स्लीव्स है ये मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिफरेंट लगे. लाइक यू नो, कैन यू गाइस सी, दिस इज व्हाट द सूट लुक्स लाइक, एंड दिस जस्ट फॉल जैसे ए लाइन में. मैं पिक्चर यहाँ पे या यहाँ पे डाल दूंगी, सो यू गाइस कैन सी. इसमें कोई दुपट्टा नहीं है, इसमें सिर्फ स्ट्रेट पैंट्स है, वो मुझे मिल नहीं रहा. बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू गाइस कि ये कितना ज़्यादा सुंदर है, एंड आई फील लाइक ये दुर्गा पूजा के लिए परफेक्ट रहेगा विद दोज झुमकास. I'll be in heaven, I'm telling you. Like, I am so excited to wear this. And yeah, that is it for this haul video. I got a lot of stuff, and I thought ki this will be the perfect video for it. Now I'm just gonna go and listen to some BTS. BTS is my latest obsession. If you listen to BTS and you have a favorite song, leave that in the comments down below. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.